Assalamu alaikum. Subtopic 5.2. As a longitudinal wave moves through a medium, the particles of the medium they will move parallel to the direction of the wave travel. Actually, this is the definition of the longitudinal wave. While transverse waves, if you can see here, transverse waves, the particles will move perpendicular to the direction of the wave travel. So this is the main difference between them. Next, actually, the following diagram represents the vibrating string with periodic wave originating at A and moving to G. A distance of 6 meters, then moving 6 meters. Now, what is the wavelength of this wave? Actually, let's count how many waves do we have here. So, this is 1 till here. This is 2. And this is the third one. So we have 3 waves. 3 waves in 6 meters. So one wave will be one wavelength equal to 6 divided by 3. That's equal 2 meters. Then we can say that lambda equal total distance over number of waves. Okay, next, the figure below shows 2 different waves traveling with the same speed. Find the values of the quantities listed in the table below for each wave in the diagram. Okay, now what is the amplitude for wave 1? Amplitude is the maximum displacement. So as you can see here, this is the amplitude for wave 1. It's 10 centimeter. How did I know that it's centimeter? Actually, if you look at the axis has the unit of the measurement type. What is the amplitude for wave 2? The amplitude for wave 2 is this one, which is 5, right? So 5 centimeter. What is the period? Again, the period is the time needed to complete one wave. So let's look at wave 1. This is the time, the period. This is one wave. طيب. This one wave, where is the time? The time is x-axis. So we can say 0.4 is the time needed to complete one wave or one oscillation or one cycle. طيب. What about second wave? Second wave, start here at 0. Okay. Sorry. Okay. This is one wave. So to complete one wave, we need 0.8 seconds for the second wave. frequency. What is the frequency? Hello, we have the period. We know that frequency equal 1 over period. So frequency equal 1 over period equal 1 over 0.4. So it is 2.5 hertz. Here it's the same. Frequency 1 over period 1 over 0.8. That's equal to 1.25 hertz. So it's that simple. Thank you for watching. That was it for subtopic 5.2. Next video inshallah will be for 5.3.